Alright, so I'm gonna make a quick video here. I'm gonna show you how to break in a brandy new motor. So I'm gonna start it up, let it start warming up, and then I'll talk at you. It's probably gonna fall down. Let's get this thing warming up. Good enough. What the heck? Doesn't want to idle yet, but if I turn the idle up, so it'll idle when it's cold and it's way too high. So. Oh, what the heck? I think she'll stay running either way. So to heat cycle a motor when it's brand new, start it up the first time and just let it idle, only blip it just enough to stay running 10 to 15 minutes until it's up to operating temperature. Shut it off for like an hour, let it cool right down, start it up again, let it idle a little bit, just blip it to keep it running for a couple minutes so it's kind of got everything warmed up and it's running. And then just give it gentle, no more than quarter throttle, just brum, 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 just variate the RPMs a little bit. Do that again, 10 or 15 minutes till it's warm. Shut it off, let it cool down a good hour. Start it up again, same thing, just let it run 2 or 3 minutes. And then give it a little bit more, maybe jack the back up so the track, just engage the track a little bit, maybe, third throttle. And just variate that RPM a little bit. And then you'll be at this point where I am, which is I'm gonna drive it around the yard real easy and never give it, that much more than like a third or half throttle at the most, but just variate it and be real easy to it. So I'll show you a couple laps on my yard. a better video later. I might take it up to my buddy's field where he's got a little more room. We've only got about 6 inches of snow, so we can't exactly hit the trails yet, but